Hello, my name is Elias Leijon. I live in Italy and I'm from Finland, and I'm building a community in Italy. And I came here in Auroville around a month ago to learn from much older community, because our community is just a few months old. We just bought the land, and of course Auroville has been here in the planet Earth for more than 50 years. So we came here with my companion in this beautiful time to experience this Auroville Festival also, and these beautiful different topics that I was today participating in, a topic which was about money and prosperity.
And the abundance.
And the abundance also. In that terms of prosperity and money and abundance, I've been contemplating that very deeply in the past months, because it's also in terms of building a community or building anything in this reality. One of the aspects that one of the speakers was mentioning, this word of liquid aspiration as money, which was very beautiful keynote for me actually, from that I took to myself, and I also put it on my cell phone, as how it is important and how it is beautiful that humanity has created this form of liquid value that changes its own that changes its form.